Here's how to turn off promotions in Gmail in 2026 and keep your inbox clean. And if this helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick Gmail tips. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. Now, look at the top right corner and click the gear icon. From the menu, click on See All Settings. At the top, click on the Inbox tab. Scroll down until you see Inbox Type, and make sure it's set to default. Right below that, you'll see Inbox Categories. Uncheck the box next to Promotions. Scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. Gmail will refresh automatically. And that's it. The Promotions tab is now turned off, and those emails will go directly into your main inbox. Subscribe for more Gmail and Google tutorials.